Hi, I'm Guber, and welcome to another episode of Anything But Authentic. Today, we'll be making Thai tea pancakes. If you haven't had Thai tea, you're missing out. It is commonly brewed from Ceylon tea, along with spices such as star anise, vanilla bean, crushed tamarind seeds, orange blossom, and cardamom. You can find this beautiful orange drink at almost any Thai restaurant, where it's commonly served with ice, along with cream, condensed milk, evaporated milk, or coconut milk depending on where you go. It's a sweet, creamy, spicy drink, as in full of spice, not hot, that you just can't pass up. But you're not here for an authentic Thai tea recipe. You're here for a crazy fusion version of Thai tea. So I'll show you a pancake version of this drink. I hope you've had pancakes before. Please say you do, or else you're seriously missing out. But if you haven't, it's simply a flat cake prepared with a batter that commonly consists of flour, eggs, milk, and butter, and is cooked on a pan. There are many different versions of pancakes around the world, and there are many different ways that people choose to eat it. Some top it with butter and maple syrup, while others go a little bit more fancy and add things like fruits, chocolate, or jam. Let me know in the description below how you like to eat your pancakes. Anyway, today I'll show you a kind of fancy version of pancakes by topping it with a delicious Thai tea ganache. I guarantee that you'll love it. Let's get started. First, let's start with making the Thai tea ganache. Add half a cup of heavy cream into a small pot or saucepan and heat on medium. Once the cream starts to bubble, add 2 tablespoons of Thai tea mix. The Thai tea mix I'm using is the #1 brand. No, it's not the #1 brand out of all the other brands. It's just the name #1. I'll provide a link in the description below. By the way, I'm not sponsored by this brand. It's just my preferred choice for Thai tea. Though #1 people, if you see this video, I wouldn't mind a sponsor. Anyways, after adding 2 tablespoons of Thai tea mix into the cream, give it a little stir and turn the heat off. Let the tea infuse into the cream for 30 minutes. Once that's done, turn the heat back on high until the Thai tea cream starts to bubble. Once it bubbles, take it off the heat and filter the cream through an extra fine mesh strainer. Discard the tea mix, add 1 cup of white chocolate chips along with half a teaspoon of salt. Using a spatula, mix it well until everything is melted and well combined. If the cream is not hot enough to melt all the white chocolate chips, simply microwave it on high for 10 to 30 seconds depending on your microwave. Once that's done, set it aside. Now we move on to the pancakes. If you're running short on time and have some extra pancake mix lying around, feel free to use that. No judgment. Otherwise, in a medium bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 cups of milk, and 2 eggs. Mix until everything is well combined and let the mixture rest for 5 minutes. Then, in a small nonstick pan on medium heat, add about 3/4 of a ladle to 1 ladle full of batter and let it cook for about 1 minute. By the way, if you're like me and don't make pancakes often, I recommend cooking it in a nonstick pan without any butter. I tried making it a few times with butter and it got kind of burned. Whoops! After 1 minute, flip the pancake and cook the other side for another minute. After that's done, take it out and repeat the process with the rest of the batter. Then, let's put everything together. Stack on a couple of pancakes on a clean plate, then drizzle a good amount of Thai tea ganache on top. Just a note, if your ganache hardens up before you assemble, simply reheat it in a microwave for about 30 seconds, give it a little mix, and you're back in business. Then top it off with a little bit of powdered sugar if you want it to look fancy like mine. And there you have it, a stack of soft, fluffy pancakes along with a sweet, creamy, aromatic Thai tea ganache. Yummy and delicious. I hope you enjoy grubbing with me, Guber. Feel free to check out the description below for the full text recipe. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you here next time on Anything But Authentic.